Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically remove unwanted objects on your videos in CapCut PC. So I'm just going to copy and paste this first, and I'm just going to freeze frame this part, and I'm just going to have it adjust the duration until the end of the video. Select mask and select a shape that will cover up your object, and select like a background from it and overlay it on top of the object you want to remove. You're just going to want to feather it out, but not too much. I'm just going to make it a little bit bigger. As you can see, it will move. So you're just going to go to basic and you're going to add keyframes so that it's always on there. Actually, let me just adjust the size first in scale and not in the mask section. There. Then you're just going to want to keyframe it and just move the object just to cover it like so. And that's pretty much it. Really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. Try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.